Good morning, all of you. In this morning, let's learn word problems on multiplication. Word problems on multiplication. The questions are given page number 71. Page number 71 in the textbook. Question number 1. A box contains 122 apples. Here it is. Question is given. A box contains 122 apples. How many apples will be contained in 32 boxes? How many apples will be contained in 32 boxes? So, from the first sentence, we can make one statement. A box contains how many apples? 122 apples. So, first of all, let us write. You have to copy the question from the textbook, page number 71, exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. A box contains 122 apples. How many apples will be contained in 32 boxes? So, solution, write solution. Number 1. This is answer. First you have to copy the question from the textbook, then only copy the answer from the board. Okay. Number of apples in one box. How many apples are there in one box? Now 122. 122. 122. Then how many boxes are there? 32 boxes. So number of apples in 32 boxes. Okay. Thirty-two boxes equal. There is no place, so we can write in the next sentence. Write 122 into 32. Do in the margin 122 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next, we are multiplying by tens place. 3 means 30. So, you have to put 1 0 in the 1 place. Then, we are multiplying unit place with tens place. 3 2s. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are again 6. 3 1s are 3. Keep the position always. Don't change the position. Otherwise, if you change the position, if you are not writing according to the place value, you are not getting answer correctly. Okay. Do it properly. 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 remainder, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, here 3. So, after 3 places you can put comma. So, you are getting 3904. Here you can write 3904. Underline. Okay. 3904. Then, second question. I will read from the textbook. Number 2. Maths textbook of class 3 contains 194 pages. How many pages are there in 42 such books? Okay. In one textbook there are 194 pages. So, how many pages are there in 42 such textbook? So, from the first sentence we can make one statement. Number of pages in one textbook. Number of pages in one textbook. So, you can copy. I am going to rub it. First one, then second one. Number of pages in one textbook. Number 2. Put the number in the margin. Okay. So you can write in short form. NO, put 1, 2 dots. Number of pages in one textbook. How many pages are there in one textbook? 194. 194. Then what we have to find out? How many pages are there in 42 such textbooks? So, number of pages in 42 books. So, we have to multiply 194 by 42. Do in the margin 194 into 194 into 42. First we are multiplying 194 into 2. Okay. 194 into 2. So, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 1 remainder, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. See 194 into 2, 2 means this one, this 2. So, next one, this is tens place. So, 194 into 40. 4 means 40 as it is tens place, okay. So, we can put the 0 in the first place. Then multiply by 4. 4 fours are 16, 1 remainder, 4 nines are 36 plus 1, 37, 3 remainder, 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7. Then put a plus. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 remainder. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 remainder. 7 plus 1, 8. Put comma, then put underline. This one we are doing in the margin. Okay. Then write the answer in the proper place. 8148. Let it be the answer in the margin. Don't rub it. Okay, after doing. This is second one. You didn't write the solution. Okay. Then third one. Got the answer? Okay. Next third one. Number 3. Solution. The first question. No, third question. A train has 18 compartments. Each compartment can accommodate 245 passengers. How many passengers can be accommodated in the train? So, first sentence, a train has 18 compartments. From that sentence, make one statement, that is number of compartments in the train. Number of compartments. Write the short form. Don't write no. After writing no, put the 2 dots. Okay, number of compartments. How many compartments? 18. After equal, put 18. Then, number of passengers can accommodate in a compartment. So, from the second sentence, we can make number of passengers can accommodate in a compartment. That is a long statement. Okay, how many passengers can accommodate in one compartment? 245. 245. Then what we have to find out? How many passengers can accommodate in the train? Okay, so total number of passengers can accommodate. That multiply number of passengers in one compartment by the number of compartments. So 245 into 18. 245 into 18. 8 5s are 40. 4 remainder. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36. 3 remainder. 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. Then put 1 0 in the right place, unit place. 1 5 is 5, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2. Answer 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 remainder, 9 plus 4 plus 1, 14, 1 remainder, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So, answer will be, put one equal under that sentence, 4,410 passengers can accommodate in the train. Okay, 4,410. Next one, number 4. How many hours are there in 25 days? All of you know one day how many hours? 24 hours in a day. So that you have to find out first. Number of hours in a day. Okay, number of hours in a day. So you can rub it. Third one. Next, fourth one. Number 4. How many hours are there in a day? 24. 24 hours. Okay. Then number of hours in 25 days. That we have to find out. 24 into 25. Five fours are 20, 2 remainder, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. Then put 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. 4, okay. 0, 12, 1 remainder, here 6. So answer will be 20 hours in 25 days. 600. Once again let us see. Here it is 0. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. So now it is 600. Next one, number 5. Number 5, question. A monthly salary of Ram Dayal is rupees 825. What is his annual salary? Annual means 1 year. So, how many months are there in a year? 12 months. So, you have to find out the salary of 12 months. That is annual salary. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one is over. Fifth one. Monthly salary. From the first sentence, monthly salary of Ram Dayal. The monthly salary of Ram Dayal, rupees 825. Solution. Equal $825. See the symbol. This is symbol of rupees. Okay. See the symbol how to write. Rupees 825. Leave some space and write. Then we have to find out the annual salary. That means salary of 12 months. Okay. Annual salary equal multiply 825 by number of months. That is 825 into 12. 1 year, 12 months are there. Okay. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 remainder. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Next, put 1 0. 2 5s are, 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 8 is 8. Here 0, 10, 1 remainder. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So, rupees 9,900 will get 1 comma 9,900 rupees he will get as annual salary. Understood? Next one, number 6. Number 6. Question. The cost of bat is rupees 175 and cost of ball is rupees 52. What is the total cost of 42 such bats and balls? So, you have to find out the cost of a bat. The cost of one bat. Okay. Number 6. One bat. What is the cost of one bat? Rupees 175. Rupees 175. Then cost of one ball. Equal cost of one ball rupees 52. Then we have to find out the cost of 42 such bats and 42 such balls. We can find out separate. Okay, we have to multiply 175 into 42. That is cost of bats. Cost of 42 bats equal 1 bat costs 175. So 175 into 42. 175 into 42. 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 remainder, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Next, here put 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 remainder, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30, 3 remainder, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. Here 0, 5, 3, 7. So cost of 42 bats rupees 7,350. Okay. So cost of 42 balls. Equal 52 into 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Here 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Here 4, 8, 1, 2. 2184. 2184. Then what we have to find out? Total cost of 42 such bats and balls. So we have to, what we have to do now? This is cost of 42 bats. Then this is cost of 42 balls. These two numbers we have to add. Total cost. Equal, add the two numbers together. $7,350 plus 2,184. Okay. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 remainder. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. So total cost equal 9,000 rupees. 9,534. This is the answer. This is the total cost of 42 balls and bats. Understood? Okay. Next one, let us find out number 7. Question is, 62 tins of colas can be packed in one cartoon box. How many tins will be packed in 112 cartoon boxes? Okay, see the question properly, read the question, then try to do yourself. Okay. So first of all, let us write statement from the first sentence. 62 tins of colas can be packed in one cartoon box. How can we make one statement from that? Number of tins in one box. Number of tins in one box. Number 7. Number of tins in one box. How many tins are there? 62. Okay. Number of tins in 42 boxes. No, 112 boxes. Number of tins in 112 boxes. Equal, you have to multiply 62 by 112. So bigger number we can write first in the margin. 112 into 62. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Then here put 0, 6 2s are 12, 1 remainder, 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7, 6 1s are 6. Then plus. Here 4, here 4, here 9, here 6. So, number of tins in 112 boxes equal 6944. Number of 6944 tins can accommodate in 112 boxes. Okay. Here eighth question, rupees 275 was collected from each student for a picnic. What amount was collected from 32 students? So you can do it as homework now. Try to do it. So from the first sentence, amount collected from one student. Amount collected from one student. How much? Rupees 275. Then amount collected from 32 students. You write it. Okay. Amount collected from 32 students. That multiply 275 into 32. Then you will get the answer. Ninth one. The price of a weighing machine is rupees 375. What is the price of 2 dozen weighing machines? So, the price of a weighing machine is, from that sentence, we can make one statement, price of one weighing machine, A and 1, same meaning, okay. The price of one weighing machine equal rupees 375. Price of 2 dozen, 1 dozen means 12, you understand it, 1 dozen means 12. So, 2 dozen means 12 plus 12. What is the answer? 12 plus 12? 24. Okay. So, second statement, price of 24 weighing machine equal 375 into 24. Then you will get the answer. Understood? Then, next question number 10. A storybook has 215 pages. Okay. How many pages will be there in 38 such storybooks? Easily we can find out from the first sentence, number of pages in one storybook. Okay. Then second statement, number of pages in 32 storybooks. Multiply 215 by 38. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So you can do it as homework. If you can show me, you can do it after doing. So everything I have given you in the board, copy to the notebook. Next 3 questions also you write in the notebook. Okay. Then page number 73. What all the homework I have given, you have to do in the textbook. Don't forget it. Okay. Page number 73 is very easy. Multiplying by 0 or number 1. Very easy. Everything we have studied. So do it in the textbook. Okay. So multiplication. Then here it is multiplication tables. Okay. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 5s are 55, 11 6 are 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99, 11 10s are 110. Okay. Next 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 42, 12 fives are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. You write everything in the textbook. Next number 13, table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 six are 72, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 107, 13 tens are 130. Okay. Next number 14, table of 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Next table 15. Okay. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 six are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. So everything you write in the textbook. Okay. Hope you can see everything very well. Okay. Then here it is, multiplication square is given in the textbook. Try to read it, okay, by seeing these numbers. Then here you have to fill in the empty boxes. You can take help from the multiplication square. Okay, read the square table, then fill all these boxes. Here it is, mental lab activity. Mental lab activity. You know how to do it? This is table of 3. Three horizontal lines are there. That is 3. Then 1 cross line. That is 1. If you put 2, 3 twos are. 3 lines, 3 threes are. 4 lines, 3 fours are. 3 fives are. 3 six are. Like that. Put the cross line. You don't want to put in the notebook. You can do in a rough book and find out the answer. Okay. Here everything like that. Here it is. This is table 4. So 4 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Table of 4. So how many times repeated that you put the cross line? This is 1. Next 2. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Okay. Here it is. You have to find out. 4 twos are. See 4 horizontal line. Then 4 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. 4 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. Here 3 horizontal lines. That is 3 times repeated. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical lines. So how many times it is repeated that you put a cross. Okay. So you can fill this one full. Page number table up to 10. Write down. Next division. That we can do study next day. See, you listen here. If you didn't study the table multiplication properly, you cannot do any division. So if anybody is not studied, you have to revise again the multiplication table very well. Then only you can do the division and multiplication. Okay. See you next day. Bye. I hope you all will study very nicely. Very good children. Hope everything will do very well. Thank you so much.